Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to make some kind of electronic, maybe techno track. I recorded one of the patterns from Behringer TD3 and it sounds quite nice. So I'm going to try to build a track on this loop, and I already recorded because I have to use the drivers from my Focusrite and I cannot use the device from FL Studio ASIO, so that's why I switch back and record that on my own. And now I have the sample already in FL Studio and I'm going to make a track with it. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to the premium tutorials and also the exclusive sample packs and also to the project files of the tutorials. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and switch to FL Studio. And this is what I have so far. I can remove the record here because I will not use it anymore. And I recorded with a kick. So I already have a kick that I like, and I'm going to use it with this sample. So let's listen to the sample or to the loop. It's always the same, but in some parts I tweaked some of the knobs to give it a little bit more live to the beat or to the loop itself. So let me call this bass. Okay, I like that type of rhythm there. Let's see. Okay, this sounds nice. Maybe I can add another one with a lower volume. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing because I think there is another hi-hat that I liked here, a short one, this one, and this one I'm going to put it like that, and I'm going to route this to the sidechain here. So let's move these two, the kick, the snare and the hi-hat, to the side of the kick, and let's create here a separator so that we know that this will be the drums and this will be the sounds, or maybe not the drums because the hi-hats are drums. And what I want to do is put all the sounds here that will not have the sidechain. So let's go and route this to the side, to this track only. And now we have something like that. And let's make it here. Let's put it in the not sidechain. Let's route it to this track only. Okay, now let's see, maybe C#. Okay, let's not make it all the time. Let's use it only once. I think it sounds really nice. So this is bass 2. Okay, I like this sound a lot. Let's go with a lower octave. Okay, so maybe I can do that here. Oops. Here, and I can use it only, for instance, at this part here. Maybe we can remove a little bit of the high frequencies. bring this to the... No sidechain. I prefer it directly to the mixer. Okay, what's this called? Warble. Okay. Warble. Let's add some reverb. And it gives a nice atmosphere to the track, which the sounds are going around and you don't feel it exactly where they are, kind of a psychedelic vibe, so it's kind of nice. Okay, let's put this on the track itself. I like it. We can try to add some other synth to support it, to give it more strength. So let's go with now with hybrid. Let's try to find something that matches this type of synth. Okay, let's see, let's go to moving pads. Of course, we can work on this later. I can work on this later, but I think it gives a nice base for the track. I think I will go and move this, continue this track further, because I kind of enjoy it. It's right in the vibe of the things that I've been listening to. And I quite enjoy it. Has some really mysterious vibe, and I really like it. So what I'm going to do now is to separate everything. So here we have the kicks, and we can even now start go even lower, like in terms of granularity, if that makes sense. Start make it sound like that, and even lower. Have this one here. Let's see. Not sure. Maybe we can have this just for a breakdown or before the drop. Yeah, let's keep like that. And we can actually make this shorter so that it doesn't affect the other thing, if that makes sense. And yeah, actually I need to do the same thing here. Yeah, okay, no problem, I can cut there. Oops. Cut it more than I should, okay? So now let's select this part here. Except this one, make it longer, and this one here makes sense. No, maybe we can expand this one here like that. this. I kind of like it. Not for the full track, but sometimes this might, especially in a drop, this might sound nice. And we can actually try to get a higher pitch version of this. Let me see if this sounds nice. Let me go like that. Okay, so we can actually automate this. So let's automate this right now. And let's bring this up. Let's collapse that. And let's do something like that. Just a simple automation so that it starts increasing right before the right when things get more intense. And what we can do is copy this value here, create a new point here. Okay, something like that, so that it only affects this part here. And we can even add a point here, like that. Okay, so it sounds a little bit better, like that. We still have the aggressiveness of the low-pitched voice in the first part, and then with this part it starts going up, and we have now the track. Actually, this might sound better without the melody. Let's hear without the melody. I'm not sure. Yeah, but at least we have now the track. This part here sounds nice, even with the vocal. It sounds good, and I think it's quite a nice track. It's in a good way to become a nice record. Actually, I think it has body, has a nice melody, has the strange sounds coming up sometimes, which is quite nice. It has this atmospheric warble, which I kind of like. Quite enjoy this synth here. And yeah, I think this is it, guys. In the next videos, I'm going to probably continue this track because I quite enjoyed it. I quite like it, and I think it's worth pursuing or finishing it. So I will be doing that in the next few episodes. And if you are new here to this channel, subscribe, activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos and you don't miss the future videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting the channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt, or become a premium member, and you will have access to the premium videos. Basically, it's all the videos without cuts, and you will also have access to a lot of project files and also exclusive sound packs that I do just for the premium members. And that's it, guys. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.